Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes, where we bring you the best ideas for modern, sustainable living. Today, we're exploring ultra-modern sustainable houses that are not only beautiful, but also eco-friendly. Imagine a home powered by solar panels, using rainwater harvesting, and surrounded by lush green walls. A house that lives in harmony with nature. If you're planning your dream home, these ideas will surely inspire you. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing sustainable designs. Modern, sustainable houses are no longer just a dream. With advanced technology and eco-friendly materials, homes today are built to be both energy efficient and stylish. From solar energy to natural ventilation and smart home features, these homes are ready for the future. Imagine a house that gives you comfort while protecting nature. Modern design isn't just about looks anymore. It's about living smarter and greener. The best thing about ultra-modern sustainable houses is that they combine eco-friendliness with luxury living. Imagine a smart home powered entirely by solar energy, built using recycled materials. These homes are designed to maximize natural light and airflow, helping reduce your carbon footprint. Sustainable living means a healthier planet and a more beautiful, efficient home. This is the future of modern living. Ever wondered why modern sustainable houses are becoming so popular? Today, people want more than just a beautiful home. They want homes that save energy and protect the environment. With features like rainwater harvesting, solar panels, and insulated walls, these homes help lower your bills and care for nature. The home of the future is here, and it's sustainable, stylish, and smart. Modern, sustainable homes are more than just concrete and glass. They represent a whole new way of living. These houses are packed with smart technologies, like automated temperature control and energy-saving lights. Plus, they're designed with nature in mind to reduce pollution and waste. With a little planning and the right design, you can create your dream home that's beautiful and kind to the planet. Ultra-modern, sustainable houses offer the perfect balance between comfort and caring for the environment. These homes use solar power, green roofs, and natural cooling systems to stay eco-friendly. Imagine living in a house that creates its own energy and keeps the environment safe. Sustainable living isn't just about saving nature. It's about living smarter, healthier, and happier. Are you ready for your dream green home? modern, sustainable houses are becoming the future of home design. These homes are not only modern in style, but also offer a pollution-free, eco-friendly lifestyle. With wooden finishes, solar glass panels, and vertical gardens, they're as beautiful as they are sustainable. Your house can be more than just a place to live. It can be a peaceful space connected to nature. The future of modern homes is green. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.